welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you a very simple After Effects tutorial. Today's video is about how to make a pop-up effect. But before we get into the video, let me show you what is pop-up effect. So basically, pop-up effect is this, and this. So if you guys feel interested in learning how to make a pop-up effect, just keep on watching!
So the first thing you need to do is to make a new composition. Change the composition name. Use any preset that you want to use. For this video, I used this preset. Set the duration as long as you want. I set it to 10 seconds. I use blue as the background colors. After all the settings completed, click OK. Now you have your new composition. Go to Shapes tool. Use the ellipse tool or whatever you want. I use the ellipse tool just for an example. Bring the shape to the center. I'm gonna make this shape for around 2 seconds. Like this. Okay. Click S for scale. Activate the keyframes. First step, click on the very first frame. Change the scale percentage to 0. Second, move to the 6th frame. Change it to 120. Third, move again to the 10th frame. Change it to 100%. Replay the second and third steps on the 13th and 16th frame. Select all the keyframes. Right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and click the Easy Ease. Select it all again. Ctrl+C for copying, and go to the end of the shapes. Click Ctrl+V to paste. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Time Reverse Keyframes. Now let's play it. There you go!